have Sirius is joining us, and he'll explain bioresonance.
Basically, it's a form of magnetic resonance that occurs in biological living systems. The human body is electric, and thus it generates a weak magnetic field that is scientifically known as a human biofield. This magnetic field can be visualized with a GDB camera. So magnetic resonance is an established and measurable phenomena in quantum mechanics. Thus, it is not exclusive of biological systems. Therefore, this phenomena also applies to organic living systems such as human beings and animals. We are basically beings of frequency. And so to understand bioresonance more, we need to understand what resonance is. And so resonance, according to Wikipedia, is described as a phenomena of increased amplitude that occurs when the frequency of an applied periodic force is equal or close to a natural frequency of the system on which it acts. When an oscillating force is applied at a resonant frequency of a dynamic system, the system will oscillate at a higher amplitude than when the same force is applied at other non-resonant frequencies. Now, this is mostly what is magnetic resonance. So in an electromagnetic field, magnetic resonance is the absorption or emission of electromagnetic radiation in response to the application of certain magnetic fields. It is known as bioresonance when it's applied to the human biofield. So resonance is the interaction of at least two systems operating in the same frequency range. The phenomenon of resonance arises when a sender of electromagnetic vibrations at a certain frequency collide with other electromagnetic vibrations of same frequency from another source. So for example, Dr. Raymond Rife discovered the mortal oscillatory rate in 1931. He exposed bacteria and viruses to electromagnetic frequencies and discovered that each microbe and virus had a particular frequency that it was vulnerable to due to destructive bioresonance. So now let's get into a little bit about the biofield so that we can come full circle to understand how this all fits together. So the biofield, the human biofield, Eileen McCusick is probably our best pioneer in this research, in the research and science of the biofield. On her website, electrichealth.com, she describes the biofield as a field of electromagnetic energy and information that surrounds and interpenetrates the human body. The same electricity that powers your heart, your brain, and your nervous system generates a weak magnetic field. So I'm just going to get into a few examples of resonance. So some really common examples of resonance include laser diodes, which are used in optical storage devices and high-speed optical communication. We have tuning forks, which can oscillate sympathetically, induced by acoustic resonance. So we strike one tuning fork, the other one will resonate if they're both at the same frequency without being touched through space. Radio and TV, there are some applications that are very important for bioresonance. The first is diagnostics. And so in the diagnostics field, we're able to conduct non-invasive, detailed investigations of the biofield. By isolating resonant frequencies within a biofield, we can detect and correlate a wide spectrum of biological frequencies, and these are known as etalons. We can also perform a type of therapy known as BRT, or bioresonance therapy, with highly specialized, ultra-sensitive electronic equipment that have been developed, tested, and improved over decades by many talented practitioners and engineers. And then there's research and development, which is to help gain insights into health trends and forecasting. So for example, if you're practicing